Welcome back to my channel. My name is Liz, and in case you know, karibu na asante sana. So Christmas, no family. So anyway, unfortunately stima zimepotea, but I hope zitarudi. So I've been yesterday my friend, she's been craving for matumbo. Yeah, matumbo. So nikajiambia juu sijui kupika matumbo. Najua kupika matumbo lakini nataka kuwatch. I've been watching Mele Chebi's recipe, Chef Raphael, Kaluhi, cooking. You know, who doesn't love good food? Who doesn't love cooking? Who doesn't love trying out new recipes and everything? So, I may buy a whole half kg of matumbo. Putting in mind I'm alone. Quite sad. So, I want to prepare matumbo. I go eat with her because she's been craving for matumbo. And one thing about me, kubai matumbo kwa hoteli, inakwanga tricky kidogo. So, let's see how it all goes. I want to prepare matumbo. I have my spices here with me. Nimetengeneza nyanya, kitunguu, garlic, ginger, coriander, curry powder, royco, and soy sauce. So let's see. I hope stima zinarudi because hey, manze blackout. You by yourself, not going home for Christmas. Putting in mind you are working. It's not easy. So let's see how it all goes. So let me tell you something funny, guys. You see my dad can look at ugali na kwambia ugali mbichi. I mean, being a Luya, umluya na ugali, you cannot fool a Luya with ugali. So, with Luyas, ugali lazima iive, inatani kama, especially kienyeji, it has to turn kind of brown hivi, alafu kuna kale ka sweet smell. Some people do this, they take ugali alafu wanaichapa sijui kwa ukuta ama wanaichapa chini for them to know kama imeiva. But for my case, lazima ugali itaiva ikuwe brown. Sufuria ikanukia na mungu kidogo lakini haifai kumwa. But my guess I think ilikuwa na moto mingi, so I had to reduce. At the same time, you see ukitoa ugali kwa sufuria, mku kando inafaa itoke. You see? So that shows your ugali is ready. And another thing, ugali, by the ugali kwa ngeli gani? Because my father says ugali haufai kuwa. You know, being born and raised in a family, in a teaching mwalimu, but family ya mwalimu, alafu hapo ni mwalimu wa Kiswahili. He always has this good Swahili. I think ugali haufai kuwa, maybe, I don't know. So ugali haufai kukua nama, can I call it mabonde or something? I don't know if it's mabonde, but inafaa kuiva itokane huko kando. There's that sweet smell, and there he goes. He's calling. So talk of the devil. My father is calling, so I have to pick this call first. Oh, as I was telling you about how ugali and how my dad knows can tell ugali ni mbichi ama umeiva, he just called saying that he's not feeling well, and I was telling him kuna madawa nimepewa, so ugali kienyeji ikiiva ya haiko hivyo. This shows ugali imeiva. Hiyo ingine achana nayo. So my ugali is ready. I'm removing it. In the meantime, I think my matumbo is also ready. So I cannot cook matumbo na gas. Tuna hiyo pesa kufill gas na vile gas imepanda bei. So gebe tuko tayari. Nika kwa sahani. Then I'm putting it here. Alafu I go check my matumbo kwa jiko nitoe. Kisha baadaye nianze kufry courtesy of Milichebi's amazing recipe. Like I just love her recipe. I find it so simple. I can find those stuffs anywhere in the market. Si zile za cool kid na rich kid. Naweza tu zipata hapa Gibu. Thank you guys, so stay tuned as we prepare our matumbo, then have a glass of wine.
There's not a single day that passes without you on my mind. Not even 1 minute can end up before you come around. I yearn for the days when I see your face here before me. I long for the times you held me in your arms. Whoa. How I wish that you were here to give me everything I want. But I know that life's unfair and we can't always have it all. I wish that you were here. 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 There's not a single day that passes, not even 1 minute can end up. I yearn for the days when I see your face here before me. I long for the times you held me in your arms. Whoa. How I wish that you were here to give me everything I want. But I know that life's unfair and we can't always have it all. I wish that you were here. 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 There's not a single day that passes, not even 1 minute can end up. I yearn for the days when I see your face here before me. I long for the times you held me in your arms. Whoa. How I wish that you were here to give me everything I want. But I know that life's unfair and we can't always have it all. I wish that you were here. 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 I wish that you were here.
It's ready, so I want to taste, and then I eat it. I've cooked it just because my girl ameshinda ameitaka, so Nilimwambia I'm going to make matumbo and I won't disappoint. Anyway, nisidanganywe na rangi. Acha nionje nisikie vile test. Who wants to wife me? I'm ready. Ni tamu. Naka ugali, but I can't eat ugali na kijiko. Mimi am mabukusu. So ugali na mkono, but that was for testing. The matumbo is sweet, soft, tender because nilipika kwa jiko. And now it's time for me to enjoy my matumbo, and then later I'll have a Tusker or wine, but I don't do whiskey. So see you on ni saa 9. Okay, whichever the time, but it's been amazing preparing it. The final product I love. Spices blend vizuri na ni tamu. That is it, guys. I was not planning to do a video, but because I was bored and I wanted to make something. It's Christmas. Saizi sukuma ina test kama mwarobaini kwa mdomo, so tukule sukuma. Thank you, guys. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and turn on the post notification. Thank you so much for those who subscribe. For those who always come back commenting, manze, I appreciate big time. Merry Christmas, because today is 23rd. Merry Christmas in advance. And be safe. Don't drink and drive. I'll see you on my next video, probably on Christmas, 25th. Whichever plans will come on that day, we are ready to go with them. Meanwhile, let me enjoy my matumbo and ugali kienyeji. Msichana mbukusu amepika hivi. Cheki venye ni tamu watu wangu.
Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me